Hello. This video I'm gonna go over weekly profiles and then I'm gonna backtest it. So yeah. So firstly, all this I got from Justin Werland's video on the weekly profiles. I would highly suggest you to watch this video. This is a great video. But I'm just gonna go over my notes that I had from that video and then I'll backtest it. So firstly, classic expansion. So we make a high on Tuesday. We accumulate on Monday, creating liquidity. We then sweep the high on Tuesday, creating a Tuesday high of the week, and then we expand towards the weekly draw on Wednesday and Thursday, and then we'll also get a TJIF. Thank God it's Friday model on Friday. This is what the weekly candle will look like. So we'll have Monday accumulation, expansion, possible expansion on Tuesday, Wednesday, or we'll have Monday up close candle, Tuesday high, expansion, and then we have that Friday pushes back into the range, and yeah. So there's three possible protocols when assessing this weekly profile. So, firstly, on Monday, we're just gonna let Monday play out. I'm not trading Monday at all. I'm letting it play out, and then I'm looking back. On Tuesday, I'll look at what Monday did, and I'll assess it. I'll study it. So what we're looking for is price to engage a higher time frame PD array. So a higher time frame is 1 hour or higher. So we want to see a PD array be engaged. So a fair value gap, order block, equilibrium. Yeah, and then we want to see a 1 hour or higher change in the state of delivery. So I don't want to see like a liquidity sweep. And then we change the state of delivery on the 1 hour. And when that happens, the weekly profile of a classic expansion is confirmed. Another thing we could get is Monday. We let Monday play out. Then we see consolidation on Tuesday. We look at both of the days. Then we wait for price to engage a higher time frame PD array. So there will be consolidation. Then we want to see, say we're bearish, say our weekly draw is bearish. We'd want to see Wednesday or Tuesday come up and sweep the highs of the range and then see expansion down. And then we're waiting for that change in the state of delivery to confirm. And then when we can void this profile and know that we're not going to have a classic expansion is when Monday and Tuesday we start to expand towards that weekly draw. And immediately we can void that profile. So yeah. So this is what it looks like on the hourly time frame. We get Monday, accumulation. This could be Monday and Tuesday. We're accumulating, retracing up, and then we make a high, and we, boom, change the state of delivery right here with this candle. We have a fair value gap. Price retraces in, expansion down. So we could look to take an entry up here or on this retrace into this fair value gap, and for continuation down. Same for the bullish example. The biggest takeaways, we want to look for a higher time frame PD array, 1 hour or higher. We're then looking for a 1 hour change in the state of delivery. We want to make sure, obviously, it's in the favor of our weekly draw and liquidity. And then we just want to know where we're at in the charts. So next profile we have is the midweek reversal. So Monday, Tuesday, we'll either get consolidation on Monday and Tuesday, or we'll get retracement back into a range, like a fair value gap, and then we'll manipulate the high. If we're bearish, we're gonna manipulate the high here. Oh, you can't see my mouse, but we manipulate the high that was made on Monday or Tuesday, and then we expand downwards. So this is what it looks like on the weekly candle. So Monday, Tuesday, we're pushing up. Wednesday then sweeps the high, and we expand down from there. So there's one valid protocol and two invalid protocols. So Monday and Tuesday, we just see consolidation or retracement in the opposite direction of our weekly draw. We then see price engage a higher time frame PD array, and then we see if we're bearish, we see a change in the state of delivery, and that is when the midweek reversal is confirmed. Invalid protocol is we let Monday and Tuesday play out, we see consolidation, then we see Wednesday's price action and its continued consolidation. So we had more consolidation on Wednesday, and this profile is voided. Say we don't sweep the high or the low, and we stay in the range, then this profile is voided. Monday and Tuesday, we were going towards the weekly draw. Immediately, it's a voided profile, and yeah. So this is what it looks like on the 1 hour. So go over the bearish example. So Monday, Tuesday, you can see we have consolidation, consolidate. We form a high on Monday. We then have Wednesday open and sweep this high. We get possible SMT divergence, and then we get a change in the state of delivery, closing through this open close candle. This consecutive candles that took liquidity. The open of the first one, once that gets closer, that's a change in the state of delivery, and that's confirmation we're going down. So a possible entry would be on the SMT, and then we could also look for a trade on the continuation in this for value gap. And yeah, we get expansion down on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. The other one is retracement. So instead of just consolidating, we're retracing back into fair value gap. We're taking liquidity, but we engage a higher time frame PD array, and then we get that change in the state of delivery, and we push down, see if we can get a fair value gap, retrace into there, continuation down. This is when the midweek profile is invalid. So Monday, Tuesday, we range. We have a range on Monday, Tuesday from the consolidation. Then we see on Wednesday we don't take the high or the low of the we don't take the high or the low of the range. So we get an in bar candle, an inside candle, and that means there's no manipulation, and the profile is voided. We don't want to take a trade in there because it's just unprobable price action. We want to see a high or a low get swept in the direction of our weekly bias. So if we're bearish, we have a bearish weekly draw. We have a sell side that we're targeting for the week. We'd want to see the top get swept. Obviously, maybe not obviously, but SMT is a good thing. Like a discorrelation in the pairs is a good thing. We want to see that SMT, so maybe one of the pairs doesn't take that range at all, but we still go down. But if one of the pairs does take that high, then we're clean. We're good to go. The last profile, pretty sure that was the last one. Last profile, consolidation reversal. This is where we consolidate Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Thursday we manipulate it, and we then expand Thursday, Friday towards the weekly draw. So this is what it would look like on the charts. Monday opens, consolidation candle. Tuesday we start to push lower. Then Wednesday we start to come back up. Thursday opens, we take the high. We come into a higher time frame PD array, and we get expansion down Thursday, Friday towards the draw on liquidity. And yeah. So one valid protocol, one invalid protocol. Same thing pretty much. Monday and Wednesday, we see internal price range. We then see Thursday manipulate the high for bearish. We see Thursday manipulate the high, and then we look for that 1 hour change in the state of delivery. That's when the midweek profile is confirmed, or we get an invalid protocol when we see Monday, Wednesday internal ranging, and then we don't see any manipulation of the high or the low. That means this profile is invalidated. We don't want to be trading when there's ranging and we don't take a high or a low. We don't manipulate the high or low before going the opposite way. So this is the 1 hour time frame. We get big consolidation, usually retracing into a fair value gap. Say like this is the 1 hour is a high time frame PD array, and we're pushing up. We manipulate the high, then we get expansion down, change it in the state of delivery, and usually the weekly draw is actually a low that was made on that Monday because we pushed so far away from the consolidation. But yeah, so some other things. Monday, I'm not looking to trade at all. I'm staying off the charts. Some people can trade it. It's really personal preference. I would suggest just to stay away from it. Me personally, I like to do other things with my Monday and stay away from the charts. And yeah. We can use previous weekly profiles to help us determine a bias. So we want to follow expansion. So say we see a classic expansion the previous week, we can then look for a possible midweek reversal. A possible midweek reversal with Wednesday taking the high. Wednesday manipulating back into a for value gap, higher time frame PD array, and then seeing continuation with that trend. This is pretty much when you see accumulation, when you see price ranging, you need to see that manipulation. We got it. If we're bearish, we got to take the high and then change the state of delivery. We got to see that high taken. If we don't see that high being taken, we're not looking to take a trade. Times to stay away. This was pretty much the same thing. Stay away when we don't see manipulation or engagement of a higher time frame PD array. Those are improbable conditions. We just want to stay away. The TJIF model, thank God it's Friday model. So this usually happens on classic week expansion profiles. We will see maybe the draw be taken on Thursday, and then we could possibly see Friday open, manipulate that high, and get continuation down. Or we could see Thursday take that weekly draw, and then Thursday will start to expand down back into that range. We'll get a change in the state of delivery. Then Friday will retrace back into a PD array that was made and continuation back into that range. So you see that Friday candle, that green Friday candle, it'll be pushing back into the range because the weekly candle doesn't want to close that high. And yeah, now it's time to backtest it. Again, I would highly... Oh, wait, you can't see it. Hold on. But I would highly recommend you to watch Justin's video. He talks way clearer than I did. This is mostly for me, but if you want to watch along, go ahead. So now we're going to go backtest this on the charts. Hopefully they'll pop up pretty soon. There we go. Okay, so first I want to go over this week. So this week has been pretty clear. Of course, I let Monday. I'll just play out time. So, oops, dang it. Oh, it stays. Oh, that's nice. That was not there before. So I put out all the weekly dividers on my chart. This really helped me clearly see what the profile is, I would highly recommend to do this. And I use this indicator to easier help me just plot them out on the chart. And yeah, so my weekly draw is this. I've been bearish because we're in this weekly bearish imbalance, but now I'm targeting this weekly bullish imbalance. I want to see price go back in there, and then we also have equal lows built up within there. So yeah, my draw would be this fair value gap. So we let Monday price play out. I then want to mark out the high and the low. Mark out the high and the low of the range. See if Tuesday takes either high or low. So now, before I'm even looking to take a trade on Tuesday, I want to see the high or the low be taken. Okay, we're going down, going back up. Boom. We take the high. And then what do we see? We see an SMT be put in with, yes, not taking this high. And yeah, pretty nice. So we take the high. I guess I'll just leave it. Take the high. We have SMT. So, I mean, a possible trade is on here. Obviously, I would want to zoom in. So this is late Tuesday. So I wouldn't take a trade there. But now what are we looking for? Yeah, I actually would not take a trade at all because now we're looking for a change in the state of delivery after taking liquidity. So the consecutive candles that took liquidity, this is our change in the state of delivery. I'm now looking for this to get closed through. See what happens. We're waiting. We're waiting. We're waiting. We're waiting. We're waiting. We're just waiting. Boom. We now get a candle closed through here. Change the state of delivery. My classic week expansion is now confirmed. So coming into Wednesday, I have a bearish bias. I'm not going to go into the charts and trade this, but we'll just see what happens. Boom. Expansion down. So we get the expansion down. Now on Thursday, tomorrow, I'll be looking for a retracement into a PD array. So I'd want to see price retracing into this imbalance, see where price is right now. Price is here. Are we in equilibrium? So we almost rebalance equilibrium. But yeah, we could be going back to test this order block. Yeah. So tomorrow, I'm assuming we're just going to get consolidation until tomorrow market open, something like that. But yeah, I'm looking for a continuation lower tomorrow into this. And then Thursday, we could get a possible TJIF model. So we'll have to see. Now we're just going to go back in time. Let's find the one that I don't even know what's happening. I'll go on the 4 hour. I'll just clear this. Okay, let's go to, make sure it's a Monday. Sure. Okay, let's go on the 1 hour. Oh, we are pushing down. Okay, let's see. Let's go to Monday. Monday to Monday. Monday to Monday, and then next time I'll pause this. I'm not gonna play this out every time, but I'll just show you what I do. So I just mark it out on one of every day, just so I can see them easier. Okay. I'll just leave them on NQ only. Wait a minute. Please. Please. Copy. Is it gonna work? Slightly off. Oh, nice. That's beautiful. Okay. So, let's see, what would our weekly draw be? Did we take liquidity? So, we just took liquidity. Oh, we're way down there. So, we're way down here. I'd probably want to see us take this liquidity and then retrace up. Just mark out this liquidity. Maybe we'll get SMT there. Oh, we're way down there. Okay. So I'd be looking for price to be retracing. I'd want to see us go back into this range. So my weekly draw would be higher. Probably equilibrium. So yeah, now we let Monday play out. Take the liquidity. Okay, let Monday play out. Now let's mark out the high and the low. Low. Oh, I don't need this. Is that red? Why does that not look red? I guess so. Okay, now let's see what Tuesday does. See if we take the high or the low. Okay, we take the high. Do we get any SMT? Okay. We take the high. And let's see if we change the state of delivery now. I guess that's a change in the state of delivery. What? No, we close above it. No, we close above it. Okay. Not yet. Okay, we retrace. Let's see if this value gap holds. Okay, so I still wouldn't have a bias coming into Wednesday. I'd probably be looking for a bearish trade because we took the high, but probably would want to see a Wednesday manipulation. So that would be consolidation. That'd be midweek reversal. See what happens though. Mark out the high. Boom, we take the high and we go into equilibrium. Now let's see if we get a change in state delivery. One more candle. There we go. Change the state of delivery. So now I would be bearish. Possibly could have taken a trade within here, a bearish trade. But now I'd be looking for expansion lower. There's the expansion. Thursday, we're retracing. Thursday, we're retracing, and I'd be looking for this this for value gap. Boom. We come into it. What time is it? 8. I'd be looking for expansion lower. Oh, we're pushing up higher into it. So we actually go to take the high. I'm fine with that. So I'd be looking for a bearish trade on Thursday, but I mean, if we don't get it, we don't get it. I'm not going to force a trade. Okay. Thursday, Friday, we get consolidation pretty much. So what was this week? I would like to say this is a midweek reversal, but it's really not. Yeah, we pretty much just got retracement back into this after taking liquidity. We put in a high, retrace down. So, probably just would not take a trade within this week. I guess I'll just go to the next week, the one right after. So I'll put all this stuff on the chart and I'll be right back. Okay, next week. So let's let Monday play out. Let Monday play. And we're getting push up. We already take the high of Monday. See, did we get no SMT? Okay. So I'd be looking for bearish for now. Okay, we're pushing higher, pushing higher. Okay, I would not be looking to take a trade within there at all. Even with that all that expansion up, I'd not be looking to take a trade within that at all. Okay, Tuesday or Wednesday opens. Let's see. I'd be looking for us to take this high, take the high, unless we already took it. So we have SMT. So I'd want to see us go lower. Okay, well, we take the high. Okay, well, we take the high. That's fine. Okay. Now let's see if we can get a change in state of delivery, which we do. Next candle. Oh, we go back up. Damn. Oh my lord. Ugh. That looks like shit. I hate looking at that. So we're just pushing up, pushing up, pushing up. I'd be looking for a bearish trade on Wednesday, but we're just pushing up. That's ugly. We don't even get, I mean, we kind of get a TJ, not even. We're going higher. Market open. So I would not be looking to take a trade at all within this week. We don't sweep any liquidity. We don't sweep any of these lows. We don't take any low. We don't manipulate anything. We just push straight up. This is not something I would look to be trading in. So next week. Okay, next week, let's see what happens. So zoom out, get a draw on liquidity. I'd probably want to see us take this liquidity. Take this. And then retrace into equilibrium or something. Something like that. So yeah, let's watch it. Let Monday play out, of course. Monday takes the liquidity. La liquidity. Boom. So, see, mark out the high and the low. Okay, I'm looking for Monday, Tuesday to take the high. Boom, take the high. SMT. Nope. Okay, but did we get a change in the state of delivery? Let's see. Okay, there we get a change in the state of delivery. Some interesting looking candles. So now I would be bearish. See what happens. Okay, we push back up. Of course. Did we get SMT? So we did get SMT. We manipulate the high one more time. And then we get SMT. Bearish SMT. And now we really do change the state of delivery. I think what I'm taking away from this is that the change in the state of delivery has to be pretty strong. Like, this isn't enough, I guess. But yeah, we have SMT, so I'd want to see expansion lower. Oh, that's not very great. Okay. See what happens on Wednesday. I'd be bearish. Okay, we sweep this. Looks like we got some SMT with this high. Nope. I don't know what the fuck these candles are, man. These are ugly. So we made a Thursday high, so this is a midweek reversal. So Friday I'd be looking for continuation down. Oh, what the fuck? Well, that's ugly. I'm not liking any of these weeks. These weeks are fucking buns. What do the weekly candles look like? Yeah, I'm just about done, honestly. We just continually pushed up. I mean, I just need more practice. I'm not an expert at this at all. I don't claim to be. I'm learning, trying to get better. But I did see it work for this week, and I do have a bias for tomorrow, which is nice. And yeah, it's not gonna be perfect every time. But yeah, that's all for this one. I would still suggest you to watch Justin's video. It is a good one. And yeah, that's all for this one. Peace.